powerful storm swept across the south coast of British Columbia, leaving hundreds of thousands of residents without power on Monday. The hardest hit areas included Abbotsford, Langley, Surrey, Victoria, Seckelt and White Rock, along with northern and southern parts of Vancouver Island. According to a statement from BC Hydro, around 225,000 customers were affected by power outages as of 2:30 p.m., with the potential for this number to rise as the strong winds persisted. The utility company warned that some customers might remain without electricity overnight due to the extensive damage to the power infrastructure. In Langley, several schools were forced to close due to power outages, with the school district continuously updating the list of impacted schools. By 3 p.m., Capilano University had closed its main campus in North Vancouver. The storm led to numerous fallen trees and damaged branches, which came into contact with BC Hydro's electrical equipment, further exacerbating the outages. Trees fell onto roads and vehicles in areas like Delta and Langley, adding to the challenges faced by residents and emergency crews. Highway traffic was significantly impacted, with trees blocking parts of the Sunshine Coast Highway and a section of Highway 14 on Vancouver Island, which was temporarily closed between Kangaroo Road and Humpback Road. Additionally, a tree obstructed some lanes of Highway 1 in Burnaby near the Gaglardi Way exit, and other blockages occurred on Highway 1 in Langley. Environment Canada issued several wind warnings for areas such as parts of the Fraser Valley, Metro Vancouver, Vancouver Island, and the Chilcotin region. The organization noted that a powerful Pacific frontal system moved across parts of the province, contributing to the severe weather. Winds were expected to intensify through the afternoon and evening, potentially causing more power outages and creating further disruptions on the roads.